guy.
So yeah, that's kind of what we're going to go for. So I've already made a sub, so the sub is like this. Yeah, pretty simple. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I'm going to take all the effects off anyway, so it sounds like this about the effects. Pretty dead. So yeah, what I'm going to do is new sound. Take this down straight to -12 in the voicing. Make sure you set it like that. Yeah, so this should sound like this. Yeah, so smooth square all the way like that with the intensity like that, and down like that. Grab number 7 all the way up. Close all that in. Put it about there. Yeah, it's not really much movement or anything. So I'm going to use the screen filter about there. You can change all this anyway, so like so. Yeah, we're getting that come through. Some classic tube, like that. Sign shaper on the bottom. Let's get in there. Dimension expander, just to fill it out a bit more. And then with the EQ, I'm going to boost it. Go with the frequency a bit high. So yeah, that's the sound was coming straight out. Then bit of EQ. But this is the main thing. Multi-band dynamics. Pump that all the way up. Yeah. Slap a bit of reverb on there. And then cut out the lows, and I gave it a little boost just so it doesn't clash up. So yeah, that all together sounds like this. And then with a bit of what I'm doing is playing with the scream in the actual scream filter. I've got her doing a little, like a half pipe. So yeah, as you see, and then play with the cut off. So yeah, you can just play around with the scream, and the cut off, and you get. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see me put up next, and don't forget to subscribe.